on the ground! Both of you, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! There's one right here, sorry, straight ahead. Straight ahead. Get off your phone! Get off your fucking phone!
On a busy afternoon at the Orlando Premium Outlets, police were running an undercover operation targeting retail theft. Their attention was quickly drawn to two women inside the Nike store who appeared to be professionals at work, concealing hundreds of dollars in merchandise with practiced ease. The officers waited, letting the women think they had gotten away clean as they walked out to the parking lot. But their shopping spree was about to come to an abrupt end.
I'm sorry? Where are your car keys?
Inside the vehicle.
Inside the vehicle? What vehicle?
Nissan Altima.
Nissan Altima. It's inside the Nissan Altima. It's inside the car.
Inside the vehicle.
They're in a black Nissan Altima.
With both women detained, officers separate them to get their stories. The first suspect, just 20 years old, is placed in a squad car where an officer begins questioning. Her version of events starts to raise immediate red flags.
Okay, do you want to talk to me now? Yeah? Okay. So, you're from Jacksonville. Who's that girl with you?
That's my friend.
That's your friend. Like how close you are? Did you just meet her?
No, we really close.
Like how long would you say that you've known this girl?
Maybe a year and a half.
A year and a half. How'd you meet her?
I met her through a friend.
A friend? I like your little piece on your gem. Nice. Those are expensive.
No, it was braces.
Really?
They just came off, yeah.
They look like you put them on. You know, people put the gems on their teeth.
Yeah, I know.
But they're expensive.
Yeah, I know.
So you met her through a friend?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And where's she from?
I think she's from Jacksonville as well.
Like where does she live?
Like the west side, I think.
In Jacksonville?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're from Jacksonville.
Yeah.
How did you guys get here?
I'm from the north side.
Oh, okay. How'd you guys get here?
So we had a driver. We had a driver.
You had a driver?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's that?
We don't know who it is. That's why I told you that the keys were still in the car. They supposed to be waiting on us.
Like, but who knows him?
Uber.
Oh, it's an Uber driver? So it's not your car or her car?
No.
They were just here waiting for you? So they just stay here and wait for you? Or did you guys order?
Yeah, we ordered it. And then they stay here and wait for us.
Oh, okay. Is that on your phone? Like, would you be able to show me so I know you're being honest?
Yes, ma'am, I ordered it.
What are you looking for?
I'm not looking for nobody.
You keep looking out there. I'm not stupid. I can see you peeping around.
I mean, yeah.
So who are you looking for?
What a driver.
For the driver?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's an Uber driver?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I give you your phone, you'll be able to pull it up on your phone that it's an Uber driver?
Yes, ma'am. We had a driver.
But there was no Uber driver. While questioning the first suspect, other officers located the women's vehicle parked nearby. And what they found inside blew the case wide open. The car was packed with numerous stolen items, not just from today, but linked to thefts from the previous day as well. The small-time shoplifting case had just escalated to a professional operation.
Where's your...
Oh, in Kissimmee.
In Kissimmee.
Mm-hmm.
Is that where your dad is?
No, my dad's back home.
Okay. Gotcha. So you're an Airbnb family. You got Uber out here. Who is she to you? Friend, family, cousin, sister?
Yeah, I just know her on Facebook.
You just know her on Facebook, so y'all came here to steal stuff?
No, not necessarily. It was just the simple fact that I met her up here.
Okay. So while we're here, we're gonna try and clarify something else up real quick.
Okay. Ooh.
How long you been at your Airbnb in Kissimmee?
Just for today.
Just for today?
Mm-hmm.
Where were you at for that?
Jacksonville.
In Jacksonville?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can you got a phone? Take a picture of this real quick.
Yeah, 1 second. Hear me out.
Okay.
Okay, this is your time to be totally and brutally honest with me.
Okay.
Okay, were you guys here at the outlets yesterday?
I was.
I'm asking you certain questions because I know the answers to them.
Okay, I was.
So you were?
Yeah.
At first you said no, now you're telling me yes.
I was.
So you were here at the outlets yesterday?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now again, I'm asking you stuff because I know the answers to it already.
Okay.
Did you steal anything from the outlets yesterday?
Mm-mm.
What stores did you go to in the outlets yesterday?
We didn't get a chance to go in the stores.
Okay. Because this is you inside of a store.
Oh, you did already? Yeah.
So, now I'm telling you.
But we
This
didn't.
is not the time to lie.
I didn't take anything though. I didn't.
Really?
I promise I didn't. We walked in the store.
What store?
We was in several stores. So, in reality, we walked in the store. She realized she didn't have her key. We went back to the car, and she lost her key. We had to call Papa Lock and sit out. So, at that point, we was already aggravated. We didn't go back in the store.
So you say you had no particular reason as to why you stole the stuff. All right, that's what you told me initially.
Yeah.
But in talking to her, that don't seem to be the case at all whatsoever.
What she said?
So,
Because we were just talking about that. What I just told you.
Well, I wasn't here when you just talked to them.
I know.
Right, so I don't know exactly what you told them. So what did you tell them?
That you asked me, do I be coming like going to get stuff for people, like if it was a case of racketeering or anything? I say no, because I done been in trouble with people and they'll try to put the blame on you, like you sat up there and just did God knows what. And
all right, well, word around is that you're the one getting the money and telling her what to steal, and you're getting paid by somebody else that's higher than you.
I know she.
I wish I was. That'd be cool, but no. So do you see what my dilemma is now? When you tell me,
I see why you coming out strong now.
You ain't had no reason.
But if that's the case,
you got somebody in the other car flipping the script real quick.
Listen. Check this out.
Let's check it out.
If that's the case, why I only had that little bit of stuff?
Maybe y'all weren't done.
No.
Maybe y'all weren't done. You just got caught.
No. Why would I have that little bit of stuff if somebody pushing me up to steal?
Okay. So I've been doing this for a little while. This whole theft thing. I know a common practice with this is people typically have a car, they steal a little bit, they dump it in the car, they go back, they go to another store, they steal more, they go back, put it in the car. Who's to say that isn't the case with you two?
No.
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Trying to compare the two stories here.
No.
Does that make sense?
I can't believe she sat up there and said that. I wish she was right in my face, because why would you sit up there? She said,
And you know her from Facebook.
I got her stealing from me.
You know her from Facebook?
Yes. That's how I met her.
That's how you met her?
Yes. Matter of fact, I'm lying. I met her in the Avenues Mall. I met her in the Avenues Mall one day.
Facebook, the Avenues Mall.
No. Yeah, true enough. Okay, that. I met her in the Avenues Mall one day. She got my number. And that's how we started talking.
Okay. So not Facebook.
No, but it was like literally, she knew of me through Facebook. You knew who I was when I was in the Avenues Mall. Like, don't do that. Like, we already in trouble. Don't do that. I never do no.
So y'all just randomly met inside the Florida Avenues Mall?
Yeah, we met in the Avenues Mall. You know how people already know you from Facebook.
I don't have Facebook, so I don't know.
Oh, okay. She spoke to me or whatever the case is like that. We exchanged numbers, and she started hitting me up from there.
With a mountain of evidence and conflicting stories, the officers had everything they needed. Both suspects were charged with grand theft, resisting an officer without violence, possession of an anti-shoplifting device, giving false information, and tampering with physical evidence. A simple trip to the outlets turned into a web of serious felonies. But this case leaves us with some lingering questions. The two women gave completely different accounts of how they even knew each other. Do you think one was the experienced ringleader pressuring a newcomer? Or were they both equal partners trying to throw each other under the bus once they were caught? What was the most shocking moment for you during this arrest? Drop your theories and thoughts in the comments section below. I read through as many as I can. If you appreciate these in-depth body cam breakdowns and want to support the channel, please take a moment to hit that like button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell
so you won't miss our next analysis. Thanks for watching.